What's up, guys? It's been a while. Let me get on this motorcycle and let's do a little talk. Listen to that sound. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Alright, let's go. First off, I want to tell you guys, look at that. What is this? It's May. What is this? 46 degrees in May. I don't approve. Alright, so, where have I been? I've been making videos. Problem is, I haven't been editing them because I've had, I don't know, a block. When I went to edit them this weekend, by the way, past weekend, birthday, I'm now 30. I'm old. I go up to my best friend's house, Corey and Rachel, and they had an awesome little thing this weekend, apparently for me. And, hey, we even did a podcast, link in the description below. Check it out. I started editing these videos because I had this whole new idea of what I was going to do. More on that in a different video. I do plan on getting back into it. I don't have much time to talk about it right now though, because I only got like 20% on this battery. I go to edit all these videos that I made, which, by the way, I made like a total of over a week's worth of videos. I'm just looking at this stuff like, this is garbage. Garbage videos, Dakota. Whee! I can't put that out, you know? So instead of keeping on editing, I just deleted everything. Every bit of it I deleted. And I'm gonna start new. Here's start of new video. Why is it so cold? Ah! I don't get this. I'm going the back way tonight. It is 46 degrees out in May, on May 6th. It is too late in the season for it to be like this. I am freezing. Anyway, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm going to be doing in the next videos. I'm going to put out a new series that should be coming out on Mondays, I hope. Still going to be doing moto vlogs. I've got a first ride coming up. Lots of things coming. House looks like it's going to get built this year, maybe. That's a hope. And I've had a pretty good time during this whole epidemic. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on where I've been, why I haven't put out videos, why I haven't been making videos, which I technically have. But yeah, there you go. That's it. I've got a lot of things coming. I hope that I can get back into a schedule. I didn't like what I was putting out, so I deleted everything. I hope you guys can understand that. Hope you guys are ready for future content, because I'm going to have fun with it. I am happy to be riding. I haven't rode this thing in a few weeks. The only problem I don't like is that right there. What is that? I'm serious, guys. When I came to work today, it was like 70 degrees. And I thought it was going to get hotter. But we're supposed to be in like the lows are going to be 37 Friday and Saturday. What? It was 80 degrees this past weekend. My brother's like, I think it would be funny if it would snow. I'm like, no! I got a new motorcycle. I don't, but cousin Philip sold his MT09. He's got a new bike. You guys are going to see that in a video soon, because he said he wants me to do a first ride on it. So I'm going to do a first ride on it. Anyways, guys, this video is long enough. It's just to let you know I'm not dead type video. That one thing didn't get me. But anyways, guys, hope you like this video. I know it's short. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share my videos. All the things above helps my channel out really much. So, really much ain't a word, I know, but it is now. But I hope you guys have a great and wonderful week. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. It's dark, it's cold, I'm getting home, there's cops out, and I have a feeling that I might be stopped here in a minute. And I don't want the battery to die before I do an outro, so bye.